As someone who uses a lot of bald caps, this has saved me a ton of money, so if you want to learn how to make your own latex bald caps at home, then I'm going to show you in today's video. First, I map out where I want the bald cap to actually sit on my Krylon form head. This part matters because it controls where your edges will stop. Then I go in with a very thin layer of Vaseline. This just makes sure that we can actually remove it later without tearing it. Now for the fun part, I take a cosmetic sponge and start dabbing on very thin layers of liquid latex. You don't want it too thick. Thin layers are what make it look realistic. Once that dries, I repeat the process about 4 to 5 times. It's a little repetitive, but this is what builds strength without making it bulky. After it's fully dry, I set it with powder so it's not sticky and it doesn't stick to itself. Then super carefully, I start peeling it off while adding powder to the inside as I go. This keeps it from folding, ripping, or sticking to itself. If you want to see a video where I show you how to apply them with seamless edges, then let me know in the comments. So the outside is a little rougher than the inside, so I like to flip mine inside out. And that's it, you've got a custom bald cap ready for makeup, SFX, or costume. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.